Hello, my name is Ludovic Mayer and I am Business Development Manager in Existim. Today I would like to introduce to you our new product made in France, Bodykit. Bodykit is a paint protection film directly cut in our headquarters in Frontignan. To make it, we use the best materials on the market and tools at the cutting edge of technology. With Bodykit, you will choose the best protection to prevent your vehicle against external aggression. We have kits for all models of vehicle in the world. You just have to order on our website and you will receive your Bodykit in 72 hours. Package will contain marketing tools and your film ready to apply. For business, Bodykit is more competitive. It's time saving. For a bumper, for example, it will take 30 minutes only to do it. With wheels, you will spend 2 hours or maybe more to do it. It's easy to manage. One car equals one kit. No waste, no big deal. And it's safe. You will avoid cutting operation on the car. All the Existim remains available if you have any question. We are here to help you and we really want to provide the best product to our customer.